Today we are installing the motor on this WRX, so we'll just jump right into that for y'all.
Go ahead and lift the motor up, kind of jack up that transmission, slide in these dowel pins. You're going to come down with the motor and transmission kind of at the same time, nice and slow, and you're going to line up the motor mounts down here. Say I would run a couple bolts in there to kind of tighten up that bell housing. Once you get the motor in, go ahead and do the two motor mounts underneath and all the bell housing bolts. I'm going to crawl under there and do the two ground straps that are on the side, and then I'm also going to put the downpipe on, so I'm done underneath. Also, you can throw on the starter as well. Once you get that downpipe and everything underneath all buttoned up, slave cylinder, you're going to throw that on, do the hoses to your coolant line, and then just make sure you got everything buttoned up. If you loosened up your wishbone, make sure you tighten that back up. You throw the intercooler on, plug that plug back in, throw your fuel lines back on, put on the radiator, power steering, AC lines, and then the cold air intake last kind of thing. Make sure when you do the fuel lines, you get this top one, always goes to the top fuel rail. Okay, now that we got it all back together, we're gonna burp the system by running it a little, and then before you start it, make sure you turn the key like 3 to 5 times to prime your fuel system. Alright, now we're gonna probably watch it, see if there's gonna get any more bubbles out of it. Just like that, we got her all put back together. Hope you guys enjoy, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.